Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Exporting your Thunderbird emails is a straightforward process that helps you back up important data or move it to a new service. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using the Import-Export Tools NG add-on. First, open Thunderbird and go to the Add-ons Manager. Search for Import-Export Tools NG and click Add to Thunderbird. Once it is installed, restart the application to activate the tool. Now, right-click on the folder you want to export, such as your inbox or sent items. Hover over the Import-Export Tools NG option and select Export all messages in the folder. You can choose a format like EML, HTML, or PDF depending on your needs. Select a destination folder on your computer and the process will begin. If you only need to export a few specific emails, you can simply highlight them in your message list. Right-click the selected emails and choose Save As. This allows you to save them directly to your hard drive as individual files. Another method involves backing up your entire profile. Click the menu button and select Help followed by Troubleshooting Information. Under the Application Basics section, find the Profile folder and click Open Folder. Close Thunderbird completely before copying these files to an external drive. This ensures every single email and setting is preserved safely. Using these methods gives you full control over your email data. You can now easily transfer your messages to another computer or keep a secure copy for your personal records. These steps work for both Windows and Mac users. Always verify your exported files to ensure everything transferred correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.